Here are things I need to install new rivets to hold on a handle on a tool case. This is a bucking bar, just a steel block used to back up the head of the rivets once they're in there. This is a screwdriver used to spread the legs of the rivets on the other side of the top. And a hammer, of course, to bend over the legs. The handle is in place with the ferrules straddling the handle. This particular type is a Weddell and Bowers type, which has the bulbous ends on it, but there are several other. Union uses a different one, and Gerstner uses a different one. But now I'll set it up and see if we can get these things installed. I have slipped the split rivets through the hole in the ferrule into the top of the case. Now I'm going to open the case and spread out the legs with a screwdriver. I have to hold them steady on the other side to get the maximum penetration of the rivet, and then just spread the legs slightly just to keep them in place during the installation process. The next step is to hold the top of the rivet firmly with a bucking bar. Any block of steel that's heavy enough to back it up when I hit it with a hammer on the leg side. And there she is. Sturdy, it's not going to go anywhere. I'm going to post this on my website and on my YouTube channel.